How to stream Fortnite on TikTok. Streaming Fortnite on TikTok lets you show off your gaming skills to a huge audience, make cool videos, and join the awesome gaming community on TikTok. Now, if you want to stream this particular game, then here's how you're going to do it. First things first, let's go ahead and download TikTok Live Studio. Now, here's the application itself. We're going to go ahead and click this one. Alright, now this is actually free to download for Windows, so just go ahead and click the download button in here, and then you're just going to go ahead and install it. In my case, I have already installed this one, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, once you're done setting up everything, here is what we have. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click this one here and choose how you'd like to stream. Would you want to do it on landscape mode or portrait mode? So the choice is up to you, but basically if you're doing it for TikTok, it's usually portrait mode. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one here. There you go. This is how it is going to look like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one here. Right, there you go, because we are going to go ahead and start from the scratch. This is again our stream. What we are going to do from this point forward is basically add some source. I'm going to go ahead and click this one. Now the most important source that we are going to add is going to be the window capture, display capture, or a game capture. Since we are into gaming, go ahead and choose game capture and then go ahead and click add. Now after doing so, you're going to go ahead and open your application or your game, and then you're going to click this one and then basically choose your game. After doing so, go ahead and click add source. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose some, for example. Okay, this one. Click add source. Alright, so I'm only doing this one for the sake of example, but yep, just go ahead and proceed. So from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and add a new source. I'm going to click this one here. Now you can add a camera, this one. Click add, and then you're going to go ahead and make some adjustment for the camera here. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with 30 FPS, and then I'm going to go ahead and click add source. Alright, so here's our camera. We're just going to go ahead and resize this one, and we're going to go ahead and put it at the part where we think fits. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it look like this. And then very important, go ahead and add source. We're going to go ahead and add a chat box this time. So chat box is very important. Alright, seems like it's not supported in portrait mode, so what we are going to do is basically add an alert box this time. Go ahead and click this one, click add, and then add source once again, and now you have here an alert box. Now go ahead and customize this according to your liking. You can go ahead and add anything here, and you're going to go ahead and click this one in order for you to add a new scene. So basically, sky's the limit. I want you to customize this according to your liking. So yep, again, the most important one is this one here. You're going to go ahead and click this, and you're going to go ahead and look for your Fortnite game. So yep, that is how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to stream Fortnite here on TikTok. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.